Clio's gone. I sold the Clio because because the opportunity came to own one of my dream cars, so I had to do it. I had to pull the trigger. I'm proper ginger beer. I don't know what's going on. Anyways, there it is. That's the replacement. So we'll do some like cinematics, I guess. There is a jack in another car, but that's because for this video. But we'll do some cinematics. I'm gonna keep winding inside because it's windy as out. So basically E36 3 Series coupe, non-sunroof because I didn't like sunroofs. 318, I know it's a 4-banger, but it's gonna be a 6-banger. It's a 4-banger for now, but it's absolutely stunning. Bodywork's actually not too bad. The rust on it is minimal. Underneath it's good, underneath it's great. It just needs a little bit of work, tidy it up. It's gonna be spot on. So in this video I'm gonna do the first drive, but first I'm gonna put some spacers on, new indicators. I'm gonna try and put some grills in because I haven't got chrome ones yet, they're on the way, but I'm gonna try and put some slat ones in because they're a bit better. That's gonna be in today's video. So let's get away. So there's the spacers, one's 12.5, one's 15, they're the bolts. I'm going to put them on. No. Thankfully the back wheel's lifted up with that as well. Happy days. One indicator side, I kind of give up with a splitter because I need it on a ramp so I can make sure that it's like straight all the way. That's so much better, the orange will a million times better. There's a little tab in between the headlights. On this one I don't think there is because there's that. But there's normally a little tab in between these somewhere. You push that and then push the headlight lens, the indicator lenses, and the lens. Big chest, a big Liam Flanagan, Dr. Vallis for all the cleaning stuff, and some G1 and all, so I can get the dash gleaming. Cheers Liam lad, get the new one of these. In there, and then you clip it inside, and you line up the tabs, and slide it in. This might not work because I think it's been bodged in, but we'll find it. It's not a perfect fitment, but it'll do for now. So I get that nose cone off anyway, so I think that's how I get that. I'll sort that out at a later date.